Diamond project, ITEC has assumed the role of technical coordination, giving support to the consortium about the concept and methodology development. ITEC has drastically improved its capacity for the data analysis and the potential to provide consulting services in the field of corporate social responsibility.
Systematica lead the data collection phase of the Diamond project, aiming at collecting and converting data towards a more inclusive and accessible transport system. According to the urban informatics approach, Systematica was focused on collecting location-based data to be analyzed through GIS techniques, also social media data, and on-site observations focused on transport infrastructure, in particular related to railway and bike-sharing services.
We actively contributed to the conceptual framework, helped define intersectional variables so multiple categories of people could be identified, their profiles probed, and solutions targeted towards them. Our role extended to data gathering, assessment of the results, and their dissemination through our network.
We were able to contribute to the mixed method approach from the beginning, in identifying fairness characteristics from literatures and informing these findings through a bottom-up process, inviting users and stakeholders to take part in a series of focus groups that highlighted barriers and facilitators for women as users and employees in the surface transport.
We used these preliminary findings to inform a series of survey and follow-up processes, and the data collection campaign and the analysis we were able to gather from it actually led to the development of the fairness maturity model, which informed the Diamond toolkit. Finally, as dissemination manager, we actually managed to publish together with the entire consortium a white paper that is there to inform inclusiveness for policymaker and transport operator.
Together with my team, I led the technological development of the Toolkit for Fairness, which is one of the main outcomes of the Diamond project. It is a web application that offers mobility organizations a tool to self-evaluate their level of inclusiveness with respect to different social demographic groups, with a particular focus on women.
The Stirling University team contributed across a number of research areas in the Diamond project. These ranged from working with our partners to develop, agree and apply the concept of fairness in transport. We also had a major role in managing the responsible research and innovation and ethical oversight of the project's research. The work of the project clearly shows a crucial need to explicitly consider different forms of fairness for all groups of people, especially women, when planning and operating different modes of transport. It is especially crucial to incorporate intersectional analysis, that is, explicitly considering the effects on different groups of people such as parents, those of different ages, and different genders or incomes, etc.
We developed a common framework for assessing the success of the proposed fairness interventions in the project's 4 case studies. We developed the methodology framework to demonstrate the extent to which each proposed fairness intervention will contribute to achieving gender-inclusive transport system. We adopted the 3 E's: effectiveness, efficiency, and the equity framework. We also contributed to Work Package 9 by developing a framework for curriculum design to disseminate Diamond Project's outcomes.
Our focus was to develop an impact assessment framework in order to evaluate the proposed innovations in delivering the main objectives of the Diamond project. Also, the project, it has significant impact for raising the awareness about the inclusiveness in transport sector.
The work of the Institute of Biomechanics of Valencia in Diamond focused on improving women acceptance in the future autonomous car. The application of gender and inclusion criteria to the future autonomous vehicle is an opportunity to correct the present unfair situation. To do so, we have put our experience and knowledge in human factors and participatory design to develop the guidelines autonomous vehicle through gender perspective glasses.
Those familiar with the automotive sector will benefit by its human-centered approach, which stresses women's needs and perception.
In FGC, we have participated in Diamond project by doing surveys and focus groups to our clients to understand their real gender perspective needs. The results of the project will allow us to continue improving our mission of offering a high quality and inclusive public transport service.
Thanks to the Diamond project, we had an opportunity to contact our partners like operators, other transport companies on different bases than usual. We asked about perspective and situation of women employees. It was also a chance to assess, including self-assessment of level of satisfaction and expectations of women.
And as a part of the Diamond project, we took a closer look on the infrastructures and our passengers. We conducted an inventory of train stations and conducted qualitative and quantitative researches.
In the end, we found that the Diamond project was very useful, but it needs to be followed up because unfortunately there are huge challenges in the transport sector and we need everyone to be involved in order to win these challenges, and of course women have to be involved as well.